MULGOGI. MULGOGI. What does this word mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word MULGOGI. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 292. MULGOGI. MULGOGI. It is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is mul, second syllable is go, and third syllable is gi. Pronounce it with me. MULGOGI. MULGOGI. The term MULGOGI means fish. Again, MULGOGI is a Korean term for fish. How do you write MULGOGI in Hangul? It is composed of 3 syllables. First syllable is mul, and this is written by drawing first a miyum character followed by an u character followed by a real character. For the second syllable go, we need to draw first a giat character followed by an o character. And then for the last syllable gi, we need to draw first a giat character followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these 3 syllables to form the hangul of the word MULGOGI. Now let's just add more details to this word. If you're familiar with the word mul, it actually means water. And you also have a Korean word gogi, which means meat. And it kind of makes sense because mulgogi means water meat, which is literally fish. So that's it for mulgogi. And with that, you've just learned MULGOGI. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 282 to 291. Don't forget our word for today, word number 292, MULGOGI, which means fish. Word number 291 is sori, which means sound. Word number 290 is mianhae, which means I'm sorry. Word number 289 is Joesonghamnida, which means give me help or help me. Word number 288 is 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is Chingu, which means girlfriend. Word number 286 is Chingu, which means boyfriend. Word number 285 is gasu, which means singer. Word number 284 is bada, which means ocean or sea. Word number 283 is sangson, which means fish. Word number 282 is kwail, which means fruit. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.